Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to do F6 UK taxation, and this is applied for from the examinations June 2023 to March 2024 and financial assessment year 2022, and this is the problem question with respect to section C. Okay, so it's related to section C. It is from the income tax basics and income from self-employment. This question consists for how many marks? 15 marks, related to the employment and self-employment. Okay, so we have what are the requirements. We have to work it out. We will see how we can proceed. Okay, next, my request is, please subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post the videos regarding F6 ACCA modules, okay, ACCA modules, you will get notified. Like it, share it. Okay, that's very important, and see till the end. And any comments, any doubts, any clarifications, you can post it on the comments, and I will get back to you immediately. Okay, that's the only basic request. Okay, subscribe the channel, see till the end. If anything is there, write it on the comment section, and like it and share it. Fine. Now coming back to this is again I'm putting, this is for F6 taxation. Okay, this is for F6 taxation financial assessment year 2022. This will be from June 2023 till March 2024. Okay, this is for June 23. Now coming back to this, what they are saying, there are two things, is it right? Income tax basics and income from self-employment. Rules are very simple. Rules have to be remembered. Okay, we cannot we can say memorization also, but more importantly we have to be very clear about the things, how we will progress. Fine. Now coming back to this, what they are asking, first is required. First we have to know what is the requirements. Assume that the Carol does not accept the offer from Quick Speed and continues to be employed by the company. Means she is working for an existing company. Calculate her income tax and NIC, class 1 NIC, for the tax year 22-23. Okay, and this is for how many marks? 5 marks. Second one, assume the Carol accepts the offer to provide delivery services to Speed Quick on a self-employed. The first one is the employment, the second one is the self-employment. From 6th April 2002 onwards, calculate her income tax, class 2 NIC and class 4 NIC. Fine. There is little bit class 2, class 4 NIC. These are the examinable points they will examine in the examination. Okay, so little bit, this very easy, it's not wherever difficulty I will tell you. Advise Carol as whether it will be beneficial to accept the offer to provide delivery services. Means you have to make a what? You have to make a comparison. Is it right? We have to make a comparison. Okay, we have to make a comparison. Is it? We have to make a comparison. Comparison between two. Okay, between two options. Your answer should be supported by calculations of the amount by which Carol income for the tax year, net of outgoings, income tax and NIC. will increase or decrease if she accepts the, means you have to make a comparison and we have to see in which option she gets the higher amount of income. That option has to be selected as such. Fine. Now, for the purpose of this question, you should assume this is very important. The first one is requirement. The second one is you have to be very clear about the date, 15th March 2022. Carol is employed by Quick Speed as a delivery driver, fine, and is paid a salary of 44,000. She contributes 5% of her gross salary for the occupational pension scheme. Okay, occupational pension scheme. First, we will take into consideration the self-employed. Okay, first we will take into consideration the self-employed. It's a very straightforward question, is it right? It's a very straightforward question. Solution, point number A, fine, and point number A, Carol's income tax liability. Is it? Carol's income tax liability continues to be employed. We need to write this. Okay, continues to be employed. Now, continues to be employed. How much is the salary? How much is the salary she is it? How much is the salary? Salary is how much? Is employed by Quick Speed driver and paid a salary of how much? 44,000. Fine. And she contributes how much? Pension, occupational pension scheme. That it is exempted. Okay. Occupational less contribution to occupational pension scheme. How much they are offering? 5%. Is it right? How much? 44,000 times 5%. It comes to how much? It comes to 2,200. Fine. And 41,000, how much? 800. This is the employment income. If you are following my videos, by this time you will have more clarity how we have to proceed. Slowly and steadily I will take into consideration the other aspects also. Okay, other aspects also which is going to be taken into consideration. Fine. Now, how much is the taxable income? Taxable income is employment income is how much? 44. Since the employment income adjusted net income is less than the 125 140. Is it right? 125 personal allowance is applicable. Fine, personal allowance is applicable. When the personal allowance will applicable, if the adjusted net income is less than 125 140. Okay, 125 140. Now less personal allowance. How much is the personal allowance? Personal allowance is 12,570. How much you will get? You will get 3, you will get 2. Is it right? You will get 2, you will get 29, 2. Is it right? This is going to be called as a taxable income. Is that? This is called as a taxable income. Now, next. Next. Oh, income tax liability. Okay, income tax liability. How much is the income tax liability? 29,230. It comes in a lower basic rate. Is it right? It comes in a basic rate times 20%. 29,230 times 20%. It comes to how much? It comes to 1 minute. It comes to 55846. Is it right? 5846. This is the first part. Okay. Next, what they are asking us, the class 1 NIC employee. Is it right? Class 1 NIC. Keep it. The rules has been given in the examination. Is it right? The basic rules. Fine. How much is the employee? Is it right? Class 1 NIC. It relates to the employee. Fine. How much is there? How much they are contributing? 44,000 is the salary. Fine. 1 to 570. It is nil. Okay. It is nil. And 44,000 minus 1 to 570. It comes to how much? It comes to how much? 1 minute. 44 times minus 1 to 570. It comes to 31,430 times what is the rate of interest? What is the rate? The rate is how much? 13.25. Is that 13.25? It comes to how much? It comes to 4164. We have to keep this as a we will use at a later stage. Okay, we will use this as a later stage. This is the part 1. What we are doing? Part 1. What they ask? They ask us to very specifically calculate her income tax and class 1 NIC liability. Okay, next. Point number B, they are asking about what point. Assume that the Carol accepts the offer. Okay, how much you are offering? An alternative to being employed, Quick Speed has offered Carol the opportunity to provide delivery service to the company on a self-employed basis. Carol will commence being self-employed on 6th April. Her income from the Quick Speed is how much? 47,000. Okay, write down Carol income tax liability. Income tax liability accepts self-employed contract. Okay, self-employed contract. How much is the income? Income is how much? Her income is how much? 47,000. Okay, next, point number 3. Carol will also provide delivery services to other clients. Is it right? And expected to how much? Income from other clients. Okay, other clients. How much? Income from other clients is 13,000. Is it 13,000? Total will be how much? Total will be 60,000. Okay, total will be how much? 60,000. Next one. What the point number 4? Carol will lease a delivery van and 100% of the mileage will be for business purpose only. Is it for business purpose only? The cost of leasing and running will be how much? Is it the cost of leasing and running will be how much? It is going to be 4,400. Fine. Next, less expenses. Less expenses. Is there less expenses? Cost of leasing. Okay, cost of leasing. How much? 4,400. Next, point number 5. When she is unavailable, Carol will have to provide a replacement driver for delivery of fixed feed. The cost is how much? 2,800. Is it a replacement driver? Replacement driver. How much? These are the expenses. Okay, these are the expenses. How much? 2,800. Total comes to how much? 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7,200. Is it 7,200? It comes to 52,800. Okay, 52,800. This is what? This is a trading income. As the income is less than 120, that threshold limit. So how much? What is the threshold limit? Threshold limit is 125, 140. Okay, as the income is less than threshold limit, personal allowance is applicable. See, these are the very simple way of getting the things. Is it right? How much is the personal allowance? 12,570. Okay, threshold limit is on 12,570. Okay, personal allowance. How much you will get? You will get 40,230. This is called as a trading income. This is called as a trading income. Now, see the things. There is one point is there. Okay, the point is where is that this trading income. Now, what is the basic rate? Is that? See the thing. Point number 5. Carol will contribute 3,000 gross into personal pension scheme during the tax year. This will provide her with the same benefits of pension scheme provided by the quick speed. Is it? Means that they are providing the how much they are providing? 3,000. Is it? How much she is contributing to the? She is contributing to the. How much is the? 3,000. This much we have to add to the basic rate so that the basic rate can be extended. Is it? Working. Is it? This has to be added to the basic rate. Is it? Extended basic rate band. Basic rate band. Okay. After that only we have to calculate the. After that only we have to calculate the thing. What is the basic rate band? Basic rate band is how much? Basic rate band is 37,700. How much is the contribution? Gross pension add. Gross pension contribution is how much? 3,000. It comes to how much? 40,700. Okay. This is the revised basic rate band. Means how much she is eligible? She is eligible for 40,700. Her trading income is how much? 40,200. Means the taxable income tax liability will be based on what? Income tax liability will be based at the rate of 20%, because this is the revised one. 40,700, this is 40,000, this is 40,000, this was it. Now income tax liability, is it 40,000 to 30 times 20%, it comes to how much? 8046. Please check, okay? Please check. Right? And here what's happening, see the things. Here what's happening, we have to calculate the income tax, class 2 NIC and class 4 NIC. Okay? Class 2 NIC and class 4 NIC. Is right? We will cover this in the same section. Okay? We will cover this in the same section. Next. Fine. We'll cover this in the same section. Next, class 2 NIC is how much? First we will take class 2 NIC. Is it right? Class 2 NIC is how it is applicable. See the NIC class 2, 3.15 per week. Okay, 3.15 per week. 3.15 times how many weeks? 52 weeks in a year. Is it 52 weeks in a year? It comes to how much? It comes to 164. It comes to how much? It comes to 164. Next. It comes to how much? 164. Next. Class 4 NIC. Is it class 4 NIC is how much? Is it right? What is the total amount trading income is how much? Trading income is 52,800. Is that 52,800? On that trading income we have to take 12570. 12570 is nil. Okay, 12570 is nil, and 50,270 minus 12570, 50,270 minus 12570, it comes to 37,700 times how much? What is the class 4? 10.25. Is it right? 10.25. It comes to how much? It comes to how much? 3864. Is it right? 3864. Next, continuation to this only. Fine. How much is there? 52,800 minus 52,70 times how much? Times it is thus 3.25. Is it right? 52,800 minus 52,70. It comes to 2530.0325. It comes to how much? 52,800 minus 52,70 times it comes to how much? It comes to 82. If you add this to 3946. Okay, see, these things are very, very important. We will use this at a later stage. Okay, we will use this at a later stage. This one, is it right? This one. Got it? Now it is, the second question is complete. We have taken into consideration the class 2 NIC, class 4 NIC, We have taken into consideration what they are asking, her income tax, calculate her income tax. Is it right? We have done all three in the second part. What is the question number 3? They are asking, advise Carol as to whether it will be beneficial to accept the offer to provide delivery services. We have to make sure, is it right, that how this, we have to make a comparison. Okay, we have to make a comparison. Is it right? We have to point number C, benefit of accepting self-employed contract. This is employed, this is employed, and the second one is self-employed. Nothing we have to do, we have to just take into consideration what we have calculated. Okay, how much is the salary here? Salary is 44,000. Okay, here it is 0. Is it right? Trading income, you have to write, is it right? Trading income here it will be 0. Here it will be how much? 52,800. Fine. Next, pension contribution. How much is the pension contribution? Pension contribution is 2,200. Fine. Whereas in the self-employed, it is gross. Okay, self-employed, I am writing here with a different ink. Okay, self-employed is how much? Gross. Is it right? Gross. We have to take net. Okay, we have to take net. Net means 80%. Fine, I am writing here 3,000 times 80%. Okay, it comes to how much? It comes to 2,400. Be very clear about this. Okay, be very clear about this. Directly, most of the time we will take directly 3,000. Okay, next, NIC. Is it right? NIC is with respect to what? Class 1. Is it right? NIC with respect to class 1. How much is NIC with respect to class 1? It is 4164. We have calculated. Okay, we have calculated. And what is NIC with respect here? NIC with respect to class 2. Okay, NIC with respect to class 2, 164. Is it right? NIC with respect to class 4. Is it right? NIC with respect to class 4. We have done here. Is it right? This is NIC with respect to class 4. Is it right? NIC class 4. 3946. Is that how much? 3946. Is it right? Next, income tax. We have calculated income tax. How much we have calculated income tax? Being 5846. Is it right? We have calculated 5846. And how much is the income tax here? In the second case, 8046. How much? 8046. Why we are doing this? We are doing this only to make a comparison in which option the disposable income will be higher one. Whichever option the disposable income will be higher one, that option has to be suggested. And that is what the requirement says. Is it right? 44,000. Now you just make it a point. 44,000 minus 2,200, 4164, 5846. Is it right? 5846. It comes to how much? 31,790. Okay, next 52,800 minus 2,400 minus 164 minus 3946 minus 8046 3838244. Okay, this is what they are asking us. This is the net disposable income. Is it net disposable income as such, and you have to write the comment. Okay, you have to write the comment. For that they will give you marks. Everything is very calculative. Okay, everything is. Now what we have to do, if it is self-employed, how much is the income? Self-employed income within brackets 38,444. That is the self-employed net disposable income. Is it right? Self-employed net disposable income is higher than employed income. Higher than employed income. Employed income is how much? 31,790. Hence, it is suggested that Carol should opt. Is it right? Carol should opt self-employed option. Okay, this is the way we have to work it out. Now you get a point. We have progress. Very simple way of doing, is it right? It is the first question. It is little bit easy also, but very clear. I will tell you again. This is the reason why I will tell you to watch till the end. I will summarize the question in the end so that it will be easy. We have to know what is the salary. We have to deduct the pension contribution. You will have the employment income. If it is less than the threshold limit of 125, 140, is it right? 125, 140, then it personal allowances is applicable. Once it is applicable, then we have to take what we have to is that we have to calculate the income tax liability. And what is the class 1 NIC employee till 1247, it is nil. And what is the difference on that? It will be the next slab. Okay, point number B, we have taken that self-employed income, deducted the expenses, we got the trading income. Again, it is less than that threshold limit of 125, 140. Personal allowance is applicable, and then it will be a trading income. We will take the basic rate band. We have to know, is it right? When you have contributed, definitely the basic rate band will be revised. But based on the revised basic rate band, we have to calculate the tax. And you have the class 2 NIC and class 4 NIC. Then in the end, what you have to do, you have to make a comparison. Is it right? A comparison, and we have to say which one option is better. Is it okay? So just go through it again in detail, and inshallah, best of luck. I will come up with another videos slowly and steadily. I will inshallah I will cover class section A and section B also. Okay, thank you, best of luck.